you can do whatever you want to do. I just
Thank you. So up here in the upper bedroom, this is the upper hallway here. We've got tall ceilings, probably about 8, 9, 10, 15 foot ceilings. Gonna need some type of scaffolding in here for painting. We've got another bedroom up in here with tall ceilings. We've got this bathroom here with tall ceilings. In here, a nice floor to ceiling tile that's in here. And we will take a look down here. This is the hallway, and as we come down in here, you can see the large tall area. That's going to require ladders and scaffolding to paint that. And we're in the front living room here, and this is more standard height. We've got probably about a 9-foot ceiling in here in the front living room, family room. And back here in the kitchen, we're doing pretty good. In the family room, this is a more standard height ceiling. So far the high ceilings are the hallways and upstairs, where we have the cathedral ceilings. And if we come downstairs here, we can see where we're at. This is the hallway out to the back deck. Standard size ceilings. We've got this bedroom down here, standard size ceilings, closets, hallway doors, a little small office room back here. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another interior job, and these are the hardwood floors that also need to be refinished as part of this process. Okay, I've got them throughout the entire house.